Today, you will learn how to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 11 in the simplest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Now let's enable it step by step. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. Once Settings opens, click on System from the left side, then select Display from the right side. Scroll down a little until you find the section called Related Settings, and here you will see an option named Graphics. Click on Graphics. On the next screen, click on Advanced Graphics Settings. Here you will find the option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Simply turn this toggle on. A user account control prompt will appear asking for permission, so click Yes. After enabling it, close the Settings app and restart your computer. The restart is very important because the change will only apply after rebooting your PC. If you ever feel that your PC performance becomes worse, or if you face graphical glitches, app crashes, or display issues after enabling this feature, you can easily turn it off by following the same steps and toggling the option off. This setting is safe to test because you can revert it anytime. Also, many fresh installations of Windows 11 already have this feature enabled by default, if your graphics card supports it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tips, tricks, and tutorials that make your computer faster and easier to use.